Vases can bring beauty to any place in your home. You can fill them with fresh flowers from your backyard, a lovely bouquet from a friend or significant other, or even faux plants for a low-maintenance year-round splash of green. Vases can also double as centerpieces for a special event or candle holders for a romantic feel. Whatever look you're going for, here's one that is modern glam to fit any home, depending on how you style it. And since this is Earth Week, most of the supplies used for this vase are sustainable. Apply double-sided tape to all of the pieces of your chipboard. Remove the double-sided tape from chipboard A and lay on your wrapping paper. Then B, back to A, then finally B, leaving 1/8 inch between each piece. Wrap C using Reptile Glue for the bottom piece and put aside. For the top piece, cut your paper towel or toilet paper roll to 2.5 inches in height and wrap the inside and the outside with the wrapping paper. Then cut the opening of the top piece to fit the roll and cover with wrapping paper. And for this process, you want to use Reptile Glue. Assemble your vase by gluing it together with Reptile Glue and adding the top and then the bottom, or vice versa. Cut the sheet of pearls to fit the front and back of the vase. The side should stay neutral unless you want it covered. Apply pearls to the inside and outside of the opening and to the top of the vase. Then you can style it any way you like. I would love to see what you come up with, so please be sure to tag me if you do. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.